Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic for those managing diabetes: milk. Specifically, which ones are the best choices for your health? You might be surprised by how much of an impact your selection can make, and we're here to help guide your decision. Stay tuned as we count down to the best milk for diabetes, all backed by scientific research. We're saving the very best for last. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button or hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Milk is a valuable source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and repair. Protein is vital for building and maintaining lean muscle mass, supporting physical performance, and aiding in recovery after exercise or physical activity. Milk is a nutrient-dense beverage, meaning it provides a wide range of essential nutrients in a relatively small serving. These nutrients play critical roles in various bodily functions, including immune system function, nerve function, and energy metabolism. Starting at number 10, we have full-fat cow's milk. It's a traditional choice, rich in essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. But a caveat for those with diabetes: cow's milk contains lactose, a natural sugar, which a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests might increase insulin resistance. However, if you're a die-hard fan, you can mitigate this effect by opting for low-fat or non-fat versions. Next, we arrive at goat's milk at number 9. While not as common as cow's milk, it's a choice worth exploring. Though its benefits for diabetes need further research, goat's milk is known to have lower lactose than cow's milk and can be easier to digest. Coming in at number 8, we have coconut milk. It's low in carbs, making it friendly for blood glucose levels, and is also rich in healthy fats. However, ensure you're choosing unsweetened versions, as sweetened or canned varieties often carry a heavy load of added sugars. A study in the journal Diabetes Care suggests dietary coconut oil may decrease waist circumference and other metabolic syndrome parameters, which often precede diabetes. At lucky number 7, we have rice milk. Its natural sweetness and suitability for those with dairy, soy, or nut allergies make it appealing. However, it's high in carbohydrates and low in protein, making it less than ideal for those managing diabetes. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found a positive correlation between rice consumption and the risk of type 2 diabetes, suggesting this option should be used sparingly. Now for number 6, oat milk. This creamy, naturally sweet alternative might surprise you with its diabetes-friendly profile. Its high fiber content slows sugar digestion, helping control blood glucose spikes. A study in Nutrients suggests that oat-based products can enhance blood glucose control and insulin sensitivity, making it an appealing choice. Landing halfway through our list at number 5, we find soy milk. Celebrated for its high protein content and lower carbohydrate content, soy milk is a viable option for plant-based diet followers. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism suggests it can improve metabolic markers in type 2 diabetics. At number 4, we've got pea protein milk. This relative newcomer to the market is rich in protein and often fortified with other nutrients. Preliminary studies like one from the University of Toronto show a promising link between pea protein and blood pressure reduction. We're getting closer to the top with number 3, unsweetened cashew milk. Similar to almond milk, cashew milk is low in carbohydrates and sugars. An added perk is that cashews have been found to reduce blood pressure and increase HDL cholesterol levels in individuals with metabolic syndrome, according to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition. The runner-up at number 2 is unsweetened soy milk. With its protein content and low carbohydrate count, unsweetened soy milk is an excellent option. The study mentioned earlier from the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism adds credence to this claim. And finally, we've arrived at our champion, unsweetened almond milk. With roughly 1-2 grams of carbs per cup and a serving of heart-friendly fats, this milk takes the crown. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association supports its benefits, suggesting that almond consumption can reduce the risk of heart disease in those with type 2 diabetes, a significant plus given the cardiovascular concerns often associated with diabetes management. Its creamy texture and mild flavor make it a versatile and pleasant choice, whether in your morning coffee or a wholesome smoothie. Despite crowning a winner, it's crucial to remember that this decision should be individual. People have diverse tastes, dietary restrictions, and physical responses. Therefore, the optimal choice of milk for you should align with your unique needs and tastes. and most importantly, aid in managing your blood glucose levels effectively. Equally important to note is that while we're focusing on milk today, the overall diet and lifestyle play a vital role in managing diabetes. Regular physical activity, balanced meals, maintaining a healthy weight, and routine health checkups cannot be overlooked. As we navigated our top 10 list, each type of milk presented its unique nutrient profile. Cow's milk and goat's milk have their virtues, but contain lactose. Coconut milk and unsweetened cashew milk have benefits, but require checking the label for unwanted sugars. Rice milk, oat milk, and pea protein milk have appealing qualities, but must be balanced against their higher carbohydrate content. Soy milk presents a strong case, especially in its unsweetened form. But the trophy undeniably goes to unsweetened almond milk, offering a balance of low carbohydrate content, palatable taste, and heart health benefits. Each of these milk has a place in the research literature, and the studies referenced throughout this article underscore their benefits and potential drawbacks. However, as is always the case in science, new research may further refine these considerations. We should all remember that making dietary changes is about much more than restrictions and eliminations. It's also about healthier substitutions and additions. Maybe you're looking to lower your lactose intake, in which case, switching from cow's milk to almond milk could be beneficial. Or perhaps you're aiming to reduce your carbohydrate intake, making almond milk a better choice than rice milk. Starting with small, manageable changes can make a significant difference over time. Whether it's trying a new milk in your morning coffee or oatmeal, or using it in a recipe, these steps could contribute to better blood sugar control. It's worth noting that individual dietary needs and tolerances may vary, and some people may have specific health conditions or allergies that affect their ability to consume milk. Don't forget that it's essential to have these dietary changes and considerations guided by a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide tailored advice based on your medical history, current health status, and lifestyle. In conclusion, while we have examined the top 10 kinds of milk for diabetes and crowned unsweetened almond milk as the winner, the ultimate decision rests with you. You should choose a milk that you enjoy, meets your nutritional needs, and fits within your diabetes meal plan. Even small changes, like the type of milk you consume, can have a significant impact on your overall health. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of milk. Remember, it's all about making informed choices for a healthier, happier you. And on that note, let's raise a glass of unsweetened almond milk perhaps, to make choices that nourish and sustain us.